Monster School. Today we'll be drag racing. And I have another exciting announcement. We have a new student joining our class. Say hello to Gast. All right, Moms, let's head out to the racetrack. Slime versus spider. Take off on the green light.
The race is on!
Way to go, Spider. Next up will be Enderman versus Zombie. Well, that's one way to win a race. And now Zombie Pigman versus Skeleton. Skeleton, you have the need for speed. Last stop is Gas versus Creeper. Great job, Gas. I hope everyone had fun racing today. We'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning, Mobs. Welcome to the first day of school in 2016. I hope you're all excited for the new year. Today we'll be having some fun brewing. Let's head on down to the gym and brew up some potions. Let's see what y'all got. You're first, Zombie Pigman. Not horrible. You're second up, Creeper. Wow, I've never seen that before. Nice job. Your turn, Slime. You can do better than that, Slime. Let's see what you can do, Zombie. Wow, that's scary good. Your turn to brew, Spider. Ouch, Spider, but nice job. You're up, Skeleton. Wow, that was amazing. Second to last is you, Enderman. Great job, Enderman. Last is you, Gast. That's okay. Don't be embarrassed, Gast. Great job brewing today, monsters. I'll see you all tomorrow. Monster School. Today we'll be swimming. Who's ready to get wet? All right, let's head on down to the pool. All right, moms, try to swim down to the end as fast as you can. You're up first, Zombie Pigman. Nice backstroke. You're second, Creeper. Wow, electrifying, Creeper.
Burberry Hero, going to perform.
And this is our product testing wing, where we make sure each Blue Bunny treat has the perfect amount of fun.
You're next, Slime. You're supposed to swim in the water, not drink it. Let's see your stroke, Zombie. Not your best, Zombie. I should have known after that fishing incident. Use those legs, Spider. Great job, Spider. Skeleton, you're up. I'll let you use your floaty this time because you're all bones. Not bad, but next time you could use a little more speed. Give it a try, Enderman. I forgot you're so scared of the water. Your last gasp. Wow, you glide through the water like a dolphin. It's been a great day at Monster School. I'll see you all tomorrow. Happy Halloween, mobs. Welcome to a little different. You don't have to worry about grades because we are having a Halloween party. I'm going to be working on grade cards today, so Herobrine will be watching you in the gym. Don't try any funny business. Have fun. said no funny business.
Hey guys, what's up? It's